Hey everybody, this is Vinny with Excel Distance Calculators, home of everything Excel. Today I want to showcase a very interesting tool that I recently built that has to do mostly with assigning a contractor or a service provider from a list of service provider to a client based on proximity. So the problem we're trying to solve is, let's say we have a target address, or maybe we can call this customer address, and I want to find, the closest contractors that I have for this customer. And this can be a zip code like it is in our case, or it can be a full address. But I want to find who are the closest people that can service this specific zip code within an area, right? Within, in this case, we have, let's say we have 30, let's make 35 miles. I just want to see anybody that I have available for Miami, Florida, zip code 33030, that are within 35 miles. And in this employee tab, we can call it something else, but I have a list of service providers, right? We just kind of name the different locations here. We can, we can have a different name for them. We can call them employee 1. Or maybe what we can do is we can say contractor 1, contractor 2, and so forth, right? And each one of these contractors, these are their corresponding addresses. So what we're trying to find out is, if I was to have a job or a customer in Miami, Florida, zip code 33030, which ones of these contractors would be the closest one within a 35-mile range. And so again, we put the customer address, we put the range, and really is as easy as that. After that, I click on calculate, and the tool will will give me the results. Will tell me that the closest one that I can use is contractor 18. He is about 33 miles, 33 miles, almost 34 miles away from this client. If he's not available, the next one would be contractor 2, and these are actually straight line miles, and these are driving miles, right? So the tool kind of calculates both as the crow flies and also driving miles. And I can do this for multiple customers, and that way I can assign that specific contractor to that customer. And really should be as easy as that. You can download the tool from the description and the link. I also want to understand that you might have different needs that might be slightly different. If you need some changes or customizations to this tool, please let me know. My phone and email are on the description, and feel free to reach out. And thank you for taking the time to watch my video, and until next time.